Rear seat feeling more like a sauna than an SUV? Let's cool things down. First, check if your front AC controls are set to allow the rear air to work. Sometimes the rear AC gets turned off by mistake from the dash screen. Next, look at the rear controls. Make sure they're not set to off or just fan. If it's still not working, try this easy step. Turn off your Pacifica, wait a minute, then restart it. Sometimes a quick reset fixes the issue. Still no luck? Check if the rear vents are blocked by bags, toys, or seats. Clear anything in the way, then test again. If you only feel hot air from the back, the AC might be low on coolant. That's a job for a pro, so take it to a trusted mechanic. Also, listen for odd noises. Clicking or rattling could mean a stuck blend door or a broken fan. Another reason to visit a repair shop. So, quick check controls up front, controls in back, blocked vents, and restart. If that doesn't work, get help from a pro. Don't let a warm ride ruin your day. With these simple steps, your Pacifica can be cool again in no time.